fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich, ain't no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in a Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser, you a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Yeah, the boxing, all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way. I've had enough of your shit, I'm about to rage. Get my burst out like I'm in the game. Another 3 shots, take you to a place. Stop around. Two rounds, ain't came my gown. Pull it out like somebody calling me now. Who this? Picking up my phone. Roll me, I put your body on the ground. Hey, you don't need a thing.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that sweet car you just saw right there, believe it or not, that car belonged to this young lady right here. Yes, sir. Hey, I want you to tell YouTube where you come from and where y'all drove down here today from.
We're from Pensacola, Florida, and we came up this morning about 10 for the show today.
You see that YouTube, that car that I just showed y'all belongs to this young lady right here. How long have you had that car, ma'am?
Actually 2 years.
She had that car for 2 years. That's what I'm talking about, ma'am. And tell them what it is and what you got in there.
It's a Buick LeSabre. I have a 400 engine in it. Also have a radio system in it it's got 3 14s in it, 15s in it, I'm sorry. And I restored the car. It was actually a mess when I got it, but I restored it and made it look like it looked.
And tell them about what you're about to do to your interior.
Fixing to put peanut butter interior inside.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. She said she's getting her peanut butter interior. Believe that. That's right. So y'all make sure y'all look down in the bottom and make sure you leave some comments down there and let her know just how good that car looking, man. And we're definitely proud about her having a car like that and doing that thing that big.
Money, yes, some bitches in a Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser, you a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes, I'm ballin' every day. Yeah, the boxing, all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way.
All right, y'all, that what you just got through looking at, what type of car was that?
Delta 88 271 Oldsmobile.
And what year model that? I mean, what year is that?
That's 71.
71, okay.
Yeah.
Got a 71. That clean joint that you just saw, my man, them, they all the way up. Tell them where y'all came from.
Pensacola.
Pensacola, Florida. So they came down from Pensacola, Florida. They down here in Montgomery, Alabama at the Freaknik this year. And that's his mom, too. And that fresh car that y'all got to see. So this is a whole family thing. Yeah, so. Hey, tell them, so what else you got going on with it? Anything you about to do to it now? You got to add anything to it?
I'm keeping everything original. Everything came original with it. I got a 454 rocket in there. Everything good to go. I might change a couple parts out, but in there. But other than that, I ain't changing nothing. Everything gonna be OG.
That's right, baby. OG parts, fresh 5 paint, clean shoes. That's how we doing it down here.
Yeah. Stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out turnstile. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich, ain't no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, yes, some bitches in a Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser, you a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes, I'm ballin' every day. Yeah, the boxing,
You covered up, still being safe.
Yeah. Stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next star. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voted me. I know kids got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got a queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches.
Now, when you come to the Freaknik and you running over 30,000 watts on 1012,
Guaranteed to break shit.
this is the kind of shit that happen. Look right here. This is what goddamn happened.
This
You
what
gotta
we do.
knocking everything out the car loose.
Break shit. to
So
fix
much pressure. When I say pressure, it's pressure.
it. We ain't done yet. We just getting started.
Just getting down started. YouTube, leave a comment down there and let us know what you do. Could you ride around the city with 30,000 watts on 1012?
Yeah. Stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next star. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voted me. I know kids got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got a queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead.
All right, YouTube, that bad, awesome truck that you just saw there, that truck belongs to this lady right here. And I want to get her to tell you what exactly going on. She's the loudest female in the game, trust me, in the South. What all you got in there?
I have a 1999 Chevy Suburban. I have 8 ZV5 15s in it on 4 Z2Bs. The subs are pushing about 57,000, and then the doors are pushing about 28,000.
That's 57,000 watts on 8 15s, bro. If you didn't understand the lingo, it's serious. She said she louder than your man. Trust me, she's louder than your man. So all you other chicks in the game, bow down to the queen, because this is sound queen right here. Yes, sir. Leave a note in the comments down beside in the below. Let us know what you're thinking about this, YouTube. It's something serious, bro. Real talk.
Yeah. Stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next star. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voted me. I know kids got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got a queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Yeah, the boss and all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way. Yeah. Stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next star. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voted me. I know kids got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got a queen, but I'm treated like a king. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance.
All right, you do. You see it right there, baby. You got best of show at the Freaknik, baby. Took home the big dog, baby. 2020. You see it? Yeah.
Still a loser, you a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna dance straight. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Yeah, the boss and all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy you out of way. wipe it off, you look like at the straight side. Oh man.